There we go. So we got that set in here. Now this is made so it'll close up for the winter time. And so unfortunately, here comes the rain again. And that means I'm done for the day out here. I'll probably just go ahead and get the mortar in this gap because I've got vines and things that keep growing up in here, so we'll close that up so they can't get in there. But I guess we'll call that a day, at least from this side. I can go ahead and seal up the inside of this, and we'll come back with our brush and clean this up. And then once it's cured, we'll paint it red. You'll never know that it was there. All right, good people, we're out. All right, so we've got our vent cemented in place. That ain't coming out, and the bugs won't be able to get in. And the only thing we have left to do is actually put the inside piece on there, and that's going to be able to vent out. Ideally, if we can get the basement humidity down to about 50% would be great. The reading I was getting earlier was around 92, so that's definitely way too much moisture. But just having this right now, you can feel the air is beginning to circulate quite a bit, so definitely should make a difference, just like our attic fan did upstairs. All right, good people, I'm going to get out of the rain, and I'm going to save my mortar so I can do some more pointing up a little bit later. I started doing some of that over here, and I'm going to go ahead and brush this out and let it sit some and clean it up, so we'll be able to paint all of this stuff so it'll be red with that black in there. Peace out. Okay, so we've got our outlet that's right here, so we have it plugged in, our exhaust fan, and you can see that can blow out real easy. Let's see if I can get the... Okay, so we're currently, I have it set for 80, I'm sorry, that's the speed on the fan. So you can adjust and have it set up for the speed that you want. So we're currently at 81% humidity. I actually have it set to go down to 70. When we started this yesterday, we were at about 93%. And it definitely feels better down in here now than it did before. When I first started coming down through here, you could feel the air being really, really heavy. And I can see the soil right here. It's actually pretty good. We've pretty much we were in a drought literally a couple months ago, but we've had like rain like every other day here, and it has really and truly saturated everything. But we're gonna have that set so it's got a temperature setting for it. It also has a humidity setting for it. So by keeping that on and being automatic, it'll hopefully get the humidity down below like 70. Because literally I had the wood in here from us redoing all of this was actually damp last year. It was almost sweating. So I don't want that to happen because I don't want to have to rebuild this place. And by being able to get that moisture to move through will definitely help us. I've got a lot of work to do down in here. This has been kind of like a de facto mini workshop when I need to do something down in here and / junk room, because I've just piled up stuff. So now I'm going to try and get it cleaned up a little bit. I've taken a truckload, believe it or not, out of here and start figuring out what's worth keeping and what's not, so we can really use the space properly. And this place is there's always something to do here.